how to enable or disable emojis on toolbar while using Style in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard. After click on Gboard, scroll down and here showing you write and text fields. After click on write and text field, click on write and text field and here showing you emojis on toolbar. If you want to disable emojis toolbar, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see emojis on toolbar is disabled. If you want to enable emojis on toolbar, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see emojis on toolbar is enabled. You will enable or disable emojis on toolbar from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable emojis on toolbar while using styles in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.